Hi everyone, I'm going to unbox this. So we received these two U-Haul boxes. This came actually from Winnipeg, Manitoba here in Canada. So I'm going to open these boxes, see what's inside. So this was actually delivered by a Purulator, I think a week ago, but I didn't get a chance to open it because I was so busy with my work. So today I have some spare time to open these boxes. It says here, we're home, let's cook. If cookware could talk. And this is actually, we bought this from here, Saladmaster. This is classic, right? Classic. And there are another box here. Are you ready to change your life? By Saladmaster. And here is the receipt. So this is the invoice. And we got another box here. I don't know what is inside. So this is another Saladmaster box. Are you ready to change life? So it says here, American craftsmanship using high quality global material. So this is made in the USA. This is a bit expensive. We are actually hesitant to buy this.
But that's a good quality and good for the health.
Well, my wife really wants to buy this a couple of years ago. Probably 5 years ago.
5 years.
But
It's just like buying a Dyson. Dyson is expensive, but it's worth it.
okay. She said it's worth it, so I believe her.
We're using it every day. So.
Alright, so this is, I think this is the electric skillet.
Yeah.
Too many papers here. So it says here, salad, yeah, ready to go. So it says here, Saladmaster electric oil core skillet. So this is like a booklet manual. And then there is a lifetime. See, there is a lifetime warranty on it. So they were 75 years, so it must be a good company. Okay, so this is the electric skillet, and it's kind of heavy. Right there. If you can see it. Yeah, it's kind of heavy.
And put in the box will be using it.
Okay, and we're gonna remove it. So it comes with the electrical cord. Looks like a pencil. Pen. This one? Yeah, looks like a pencil, like this one. And this is the lid. Yeah, there you go. This is the lid. So we're gonna cook our chicken here. No longer in air fryer. So yeah, so I guess we're gonna use this every day or most of the time. Okay, so this is the electric skillet. The next one is I don't know. So these are the kinds that they are selling, the kind of cookwares that they are selling. Right there. Oh, limited lifetime warranty. So they're still fine prints.
That's the one with the pots.
Okay, so it comes also with the booklet. Oh, no, I'm not gonna read this. So these are the smaller ones because there are only 3 of us here at home. So me, my wife, and my only daughter. So it's a bit thick. It's really thick. I think this is good for us. So it also comes with a lid. So if you are not yet subscriber to my channel, please consider subscribing and click the like, share, and the notification bell so that you'll be updated with my new videos. Thank you. And then it comes another pot. Right there. They're all heavy actually. They are heavy from the regular pots that we are using. I thought it's double. It's kind of heavy, it's kind of thick. So this is the medium one, I think. See, it comes also with a lid and this one. And there's more. Am I removing the plastic?
No using it.
We'll be using it, not for display. Because I remember when I was a little younger, we don't use new cookwares. They just put it in the cabinet. It's like the Tupperwares. They just put it in the cabinet and then they're not gonna use it, and then eventually they became brittle, so it's a waste of money. They didn't use it. So another pot, heavy pot, and it comes with a lid. So they're from small, medium, and large. This is like a small. So there we go. So I opened 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And there's more. So I have the handles. These are the handles. Right there. So I got 4 handles. 5. Probably.
Probably yeah, that's the one.
This is for the one. How about this one? Okay, probably you just have to insert it here. Right. And then we have the Saladmaster stainless steel powder cleaner. Removes discoloration from stainless steel cookware. Quickly and easily restores cookware to bright clusters. So it's a cleaner. Right there. Okay, done. One more box to go. This is the rice cooker that they were selling. So this again comes with the manual. Saladmaster MP5 multi-purpose 5-quart oil core. Right And it also comes with the limited lifetime warranty and a thank you card. Yeah, this is the rice cooker.
Rice cooker slash
Slow cooker slash whatever. It's heavy. Yeah, it's heavy. So this is the other one. But they said we can cook rice here. What do you know about it? So total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 cookwares. I think this is classic, right? So these are all the contents. So 6. So guys, if you would like to get one of these Saladmaster cookwares, they're really excellent quality. They're really heavy. So if you are interested in getting one of these, just comment down below, and I will let you know how you are gonna able to get these cookwares. So mega love shout out to Royce Toledo. She's the team leader that we of the Saladmaster that we bought in Winnipeg, and also to my cousin. Well, both of them are my cousins actually. To John Nofay, and mega love shout out sa inyong dalawa. So thank you, na-receive na namin yung Saladmaster. We're absolutely gonna use this tomorrow for the preparation of our food. Alright then. See you on my next vlog. Thank you.